Okay, Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 12. This is dealing with tips. Mr. Jordan takes his wife to a restaurant and the bill is 32 euros. He wants to tip 15%. How much should he leave? Main thing to understand about this, when you're calculating your tip, the extra amount that you want to leave for your server, you normally figure it as a percent of the cost of the meal. So the tip is the part, the cost of the meal is the whole amount. 15%, again, we're going to do the percent proportion. So we're going to say it's 15 over 100. And again, what this means, you can even interpret this percent, and it does help, I think, to label this. This would be the cost of the meal. If your meal cost $100, you would leave a $15 tip. We're putting the tip over the cost of the meal. And in this case, we do know the cost of the meal, so it's going to go on the bottom over here. It's the whole amount. The tip is the part you're wanting to leave for the waiter or waitress. So cross multiply. You get 100x equals 15 times 32. Okay, I'm good, but I'm not going to be that good. 15 times 32. 480. And then to solve this equation, you're going to get the x by itself by dividing by 100. Divide this side by 100. That I would hope you'd be able to do without a calculator, but if not, use the calculator. It moves the decimal point 2 places. This is money, so make it look like money. Go 2 decimal places. He would be leaving $4.80 tip. So he should leave a $4.80 tip. Now, I do have a minor problem with this question, and I imagine it's going to be the same thing on the test. Should you also say that he should leave the 32, and I messed up too, it's euros, that you should leave the €4.80 tip plus the 32, that he should leave 36.80, I would probably have to accept that as an answer because I don't feel like this question is worded very well. It doesn't say how much he should leave as a tip. So the tip would be $4.80. The total amount he would leave would be 36 euros and 80 euro cents. Number 13, Mr. Yost takes his wife to a restaurant. Okay, and the bill is 80 euros. He leaves a 10 euro tip. What percentage did he tip? We're looking for the percent. So it's going to be x over 100. The part over the whole, and again, the tip is the part. The whole amount is the cost of the meal. Cross multiply, you get 80 times x, which is 80x. 100 times 10, that's going to be 1 followed by 3 zeros, you get 1000. Divide by 80, I can knock off a 0, it's 100 divided by 8. I do know what that's going to come out to be. That is going to be 12 5/10. Just to check myself, 100 divided by 8 is 12.5. I could also have done 1000 divided by 80, and that would again give me 12 5/10. But again, we're looking for the percent. This needs a percent sign. It is 12.5%. So he left a 12 5/10% tip. Okay, or he tipped by 12.5%, something like that. Then commission questions. Again, understand the situation. The commission is the part of the sales that the salesman gets as pay. So the commission, I wish I'd written it out before, is a percent of the total sales that the salesperson makes. Okay? It's the part that the salesperson gets as pay. So as we set these up, that's an important thing to understand. Okay, so 4% commission, and again, you can understand this. Again, it's percent proportion, so we're going to put 4 over 100. What that means is if he has sales of $100, his commission is going to be $4. He makes $4 on every $100 that he sells. And so we know how much he sold. He sold $50,000 worth of cars. So $50,000 worth of cars. You're looking for how much commission he earns. So cross multiply. You get 100x equals 4 times 5 is 20. And I've got 4 zeros, so I'm going to end up with 5 zeros total. So that's 200,000. Divide by 100 to get the x by itself. Divide this side by 100. That's going to knock off 2 zeros. And so you're going to say his commission is 2,000. And he's talking dollars now, so this is $2,000. And you would say his commission is left off the dollar sign, $2,000. Number 15. Ruth sold $80,000 worth of equipment in April. Her commission was $2,400. What percent commission does she earn? So we're looking for the percent this time, so we're going to do x over 100. Try that again. That is going to be x over 100. And again, it is the commission is the part, and the sales is the whole amount. So her total sales were $80,000 and her commission was $2,400. Cross multiply, you get 80,000 x, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, equals 24 times 1 is 24. 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, so I'm going to have 4 zeros on this side also. Divide by 80,000. Divide this side by 80,000. 2, 3, 4. Again, reducing. Since I'm trying to get by without a calculator, I'm going to get x equals 24 divided by 8 is 3. Careful, you're looking for the percent. Your answer then is 3%. So she makes a 3% commission on her sales. I'm going to stop there because this is getting long already. Okay, number 16. Stop there with writing that. Number 16. Beth earns 12% commission on the farm equipment she sells. Her last paycheck was $3,600. How much equipment did she lease? We're going to have to make an assumption here. That is just totally commission. So again, setting up the percent proportion, we know our percent. It's 12%. And again, that is the commission over her total sales. And we don't know how much equipment she leased, or that'd be her sales. That's our unknown. The whole amount is missing. We know the part she got. She got paid $3,600. That is her commission. Again, it needs to be the same on both sides of our proportion. Commission over sales, commission over sales. Cross multiply, you get 12x equals 36 times 1 is 36. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. We're going to have 4 zeros on that answer. So I end up with 360,000. Divide by 12, and I get x equals, okay, 12 goes into 36 3 times. 4 zeros, 4 zeros. She must have sold or leased $30,000 worth of equipment. And done.